All right, team, gather around. Today we're heading off the beaten track, way off. We're talking about a place that's a true hidden gem. It's called Biliani. This incredible village is tucked away in the Torgar district. That's in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Not many maps will show you this spot easily. It's a place for real adventurers. It's for those who want to see something raw, something untouched by the usual tourist trails. This is where the wild heart of Pakistan beats strong. Biliani isn't just any village, it's perched high up. We're talking serious altitude here. So, are you ready to explore Biliani? Let's do this. Now, let's talk about the terrain around Biliani. It's seriously rugged. This isn't gentle rolling hills. Oh no, we're dealing with proper hardcore mountain territory. Think steep slopes, rocky outcrops and narrow valleys. The earth here is ancient and powerful. You can see the lines of history carved into the landscape. Every step needs to be calculated. Every path is a challenge. This land demands your full attention. Despite the tough terrain, the local people are amazing farmers. They practice small-scale agriculture. You'll see terraced fields carved into the hillsides. They grow crops like maize and wheat, maybe some vegetables too. These aren't massive farms, just enough to support their families. It shows incredible resilience and ingenuity. The scenic views here are simply out of this world. Right, let's get into the really exciting stuff. The flora and fauna of Biliani. This place is teeming with life if you know where to look. The plant life is incredible. Because of the altitude and climate, you get unique species here. We're talking dense pine forests on some slopes, those tall, majestic trees reaching for the sky. Think Chilgoza pines with their valuable nuts, and blue pines adding a splash of deep green. The air smells fresh, full of pine scent. Then you've got the shrubs and herbs. Many of these are medicinal. The local people know their plants. They use them for all sorts of remedies. Imagine finding wild mint growing by a stream. Understanding the climate in Biliani is crucial. This is mountain weather, remember. It can change fast. Generally, Biliani has a temperate climate. That means it's not too extreme, but it definitely has distinct seasons. Summers are pleasant and mild, perfect for trekking and exploring. Winters, though, can be harsh. Heavy snowfall is common. This can cut off access to the village sometimes, so planning is key. You need to respect the power of nature here. Spring, from March to May, is a fantastic time. The snow starts to melt. The landscape bursts back to life. Rivers swell with fresh water. Wildflowers carpet the meadows. The air is fresh and invigorating. The temperatures are comfortable for hiking. Section 5. Nature's treasures, hills, streams, and nearby valleys. This section will take you on a journey through some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes you can imagine. Biliani isn't just about the village itself. It's a gateway to a world of natural wonders that lie just beyond its borders. It's a launch pad for incredible natural attractions. From the moment you step out of the village, you're greeted by a landscape that seems almost untouched by time. The local hills are calling out to be explored. These hills are not just any ordinary hills, they are a testament to the raw beauty and rugged charm of nature. These aren't just gentle slopes, they are steep, rugged and challenging, perfect for those who seek adventure and thrill. They're proper trekking challenges. Each step you take is a test of endurance and determination, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Reaching a summit gives you an amazing sense of achievement and the views unbeatable. From the top, you can see for miles, taking in the vast expanse of nature in all its glory. You can spend days hiking these hills, discovering hidden paths and secret spots. Each trail offers something new, a different perspective, a unique experience. Each ridge reveals a new vista, more stunning than the last. The play of light and shadow, the changing colors of the landscape. It's a visual feast. It's a paradise for anyone who loves to walk and climb. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, there's something here for everyone. Then there are the seasonal streams. These streams are like the veins of the landscape, bringing life and vitality to the area. These waterways are the lifeblood of the area. They nourish the plants, provide water for the animals, and create a soothing soundtrack for your adventures. After the snowmelt in spring or rains, they gush with clear, cold water. The streams swell with the melting snow and rain, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. The sound of running water is constant. It's a gentle reminder of the natural cycles that sustain this beautiful environment. It's soothing and wild at the same time. The streams can be calm and tranquil, or wild and roaring, depending on the season and the weather. Some streams might be small trickles, others can be roaring torrents. Each one has its own character and charm. They carve their way through the landscape, creating small waterfalls and pools. These natural features add to the beauty and allure of the area, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers. Section 6. Mountain Ways, Pashtun Culture and Hearty Food. Nestled in the heart of the mountains, Biliani is a place where the landscape and the people are deeply intertwined. The rugged terrain has shaped not only the way of life, but also the rich cultural tapestry of the Pashtun people who call this place home. Exploring Biliani is also about understanding its people. The warmth and hospitality of the locals are immediately evident as you walk through the village. Their smiles and friendly greetings make you feel like you are part of their community, even if just for a short while. The local culture is predominantly Pashtun, and it's fascinating. The Pashtun people have a rich history and a vibrant culture that is reflected in their traditional dress, music, and dance. Every aspect of their daily life is imbued with a sense of pride and tradition. The Pashtun people are known for their strong traditions. These traditions have been passed down through generations and are still very much alive today. From the way they dress to the way they interact with each other, everything is done with a sense of respect and honor. Their code of honor, Pashtunwali, is very important. This ancient code governs all aspects of their life, emphasizing values such as hospitality, bravery, and justice. It is a way of life that has been preserved for centuries and continues to guide the Pashtun people in their daily interactions. It emphasizes hospitality, bravery, and justice. You'll experience this firsthand. When you visit a Pashtun home, you are treated with the utmost respect and kindness. The concept of melmastia, or hospitality, is a cornerstone of their culture, and they take great pride in making their guests feel welcome. The welcome you receive will be warm and genuine. The Pashtun people are known for their generosity, and they will go out of their way to make sure you are comfortable and well taken care of. This genuine warmth is something that you will remember long after you leave Biliani. They are proud people, proud of their heritage and their land. This pride is evident in everything they do, from the way they maintain their homes to the way they celebrate their festivals. They are deeply connected to their land and their traditions, and they are eager to share this with visitors. And they have a deep connection to these mountains. The mountains are not just a backdrop to their lives, they are an integral part of their identity. The rugged terrain has shaped their way of life, and they have a deep respect for the natural beauty that surrounds them. Hospitality, or melmastia, is a cornerstone of Pashtun culture. This tradition of welcoming guests with open arms is something that is deeply ingrained in their way of life. Whether you are a friend or a stranger, you will be treated with the same level of respect and kindness. Even with limited resources, they will offer you their best. The Pashtun people are known for their generosity, and they will go out of their way to make sure you are comfortable and well taken care of. This genuine warmth is something that you will remember long after you leave Biliani. You might be invited for tea or even a meal. Sharing a meal with a Pashtun family is a special experience. The food is hearty and delicious, and the conversation is always lively. It is a chance to learn more about their way of life and to connect with them on a deeper level. This is a great honor. Accept it graciously. Being invited into a Pashtun home is a sign of great respect, and it is important to accept this invitation with gratitude. It is an opportunity to experience their culture firsthand and to build lasting connections. It's a chance to connect, to learn about their way of life. The Pashtun people are eager to share their stories and to learn about yours. This exchange of ideas and experiences is a vital part of any true adventure, and it is something that you will cherish for years to come. Listen to their stories, share your own. The stories you hear from the Pashtun people will give you a deeper understanding of their culture and their way of life. They are proud of their heritage, and they are eager to share it with you. This cultural exchange is a vital part of any true adventure. It is through these interactions that you will gain a deeper appreciation for the Pashtun people and their way of life. So take the time to listen, to learn, and to connect. It will make your journey through Biliani all the more enriching. Section 7. Your Biliani mission travel tips and gear. Right. If you're serious about a Biliani expedition, listen up. This isn't a walk in the park. Accessibility can be tricky. The roads leading to Torgar and then to Biliani are often rough. You'll likely need a sturdy 4x4 vehicle. Public transport might be limited, so plan your journey carefully. It might take longer than you expect, but the journey itself is part of the adventure. Seeing the landscape unfold as you get closer, that's all part of the experience. Now for some crucial travel tips. Pack smart. Layers are your best friend in the mountains. The weather can change quickly, so bring warm clothing even in summer. A waterproof jacket is essential. Good broken-in hiking boots are a must. Your feet will thank you. Sunscreen and a hat are also important. The sun can be strong at high altitudes. Section 8. The ultimate test. Why Biliani awaits. So why should Biliani be on your list? Why face the challenges? What makes this remote destination worth the effort and the journey? Because it's a must-visit for true nature lovers and for anyone with an adventurous spirit. Biliani offers an unparalleled experience, a chance to immerse yourself in the raw beauty of nature. This isn't a package tour. There are no guided buses or crowded tourist spots. Instead, you get to carve your own path, set your own pace, and truly explore. This is raw, unfiltered nature. The kind that takes your breath away and makes you feel alive. The kind that challenges you and rewards you in equal measure. It's a place where you can reconnect with the wild, with yourself. Away from the distractions of modern life, you find clarity and peace. The beauty here is profound. Every turn reveals a new vista. Every step brings you closer to nature's wonders. It's on a grand scale. The vastness of the landscape, the towering peaks and the deep valleys create a sense of awe and wonder. The towering mountains, the deep valleys, the clear, rushing streams. Each element of Biliani's landscape is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. It's a feast for the senses. The sights, the sounds, the smells, everything here is vivid and alive. Biliani offers a genuine escape from the noise and rush of modern life. Here you can slow down, breathe deeply, and truly relax. Here the silence is broken only by nature. The rustling of leaves, the call of birds, the gentle flow of streams, the wind in the pines, the call of a bird, the distant bleating of goats. These sounds become a soothing symphony, a reminder of the simple, natural world. It's a place to find peace, to clear your head, and to challenge yourself physically. The trails are demanding, but they offer a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. The treks will test your endurance, but the rewards are immense. The feeling of reaching a peak, of pushing your limits, is indescribable. That feeling of standing on a summit, looking out over a pristine mountain wilderness. It's a moment of triumph, a memory that will stay with you forever. That's something money can't buy. It's an experience that enriches your soul and gives you a new perspective on life. This village and its surroundings are a sanctuary for unique plants and animals, for ancient traditions. It's a place where biodiversity thrives and cultural heritage is preserved. By visiting responsibly, you can help protect it. Your presence can support conservation efforts and sustainable tourism practices. You show that these wild places have value, not just for their resources, but for their intrinsic beauty, for the experiences they offer. Your visit is a testament to the importance of preserving these natural wonders. Your journey can contribute to a positive future for Biliani and its people. By engaging with the local community and respecting the environment, you become part of a larger effort to protect and cherish this incredible place.